Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Enfamil Family Beginnings gift slash sample box. Okay, so I created an account on Enfamil a few months back, right, and they usually ship this out around a week or a month before whatever your due date is. Okay, so you can, once you sign up, you can kind of forget about it, and then you'll just eventually get it sooner or later. Alright, so this is the box that it comes with, right? There's not really much in it, but better than nothing. Okay, so let me take this out. So here we have two packets of Enfamil formula. One is, I guess, a more gentler one, and then I guess the other one is the regular one, right? So just two small cases you get. So that's better than I believe Similac, if you guys remember, gave the bottles which were already made, right? I believe they gave 12 of those, I believe, and 4 of each different type. So here's a booklet of some more information about the formula, just, I guess, more marketing. So another paper, and then last but not least, they give you some coupons. So I got these 2 coupons over here, $5 off each one. Okay, so it's $10 basically, I believe. So yeah, it is only $10 because I believe I thought I saw more, but no. So that's pretty much all that you get. It's really easy to sign up to this, not really hard at all. I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys to check it out. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.